This next song is a love song born right here in Greater Totos area. I was on the beach camping, and I met this Russian guy, also camping in his van, and after a week of hanging out, I was like, yeah, this guy's pretty cool. Wouldn't mind hanging out with him again. But I was flying back to the States, and when I got there, I decided to write him a letter. And this is about that letter. The song's called Morse Code. I don't know if I mean it. I don't know if it is true. Should I put it in the letter that I'm writing to you? Maybe I should say it, but maybe you'd turn cold. I don't know how to play it. Be demure or bold. Maybe it's not safe to say it. Circuits might overload.